Roar?
No.
No, it doesn't say roar.
No.
What does it say? It says roar.
Whoa.
Roar?
Whoa. Whoa.
Roar.
Whoa.
Are you silly?
No.
I think you're awful silly. Can you say siren? What's the matter with your hair? Your hair's all curly. Are you watching Oprah? Say Oprah. Yeah. Oprah, yeah. And Kelly. Can you say Ellen? Ellen. You can't say Ellen? You used to be able to say Ellen. How about Papa? Where is Papa? Where is Papa? What's he doing? Papa. Are you tired?